Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. Yesterday I gave you levels as usual for Nifty 50 index. Okay, so before I move forward and give you levels for tomorrow, let's go back and see what has happened today. So, as if you can refer to my previous video, I have I told you that see if the market wants to reverse, it will not just bounce back from right here. It will go sideways for a couple of days. This is what I told you yesterday. And see, this is a kind of consolidation. Okay, this is kind of consolidation. See, the change is just 0.14%, 33 points. That's it. And as you can see, our level, which is 23,590, worked like a charm. It cannot get better. So let's get the error. What is this? It is almost, let me just, high of this is 82.5, 23,582.95, and our level was 590. Within 8 point, the price has taken a resistance within 8 point of our key level. This worked like a charm. Yesterday, this key level this key level I gave you, and this key level has today has been a hero key level. This has been a significant key level. Okay. So the 2 points I made yesterday, and both points were turned out to be right today. Which are 2 points? First, the ski level 23,590, and second, I told you if the market wants to reverse, it will go sideways, or it will not go on falling like this. It will consolidate. And see, today the market has consolidated. Generally, you know, after an expiry, first day, that is after the expiry, Wednesday, is generally a directional, but today it turned out to be a sideways. So tomorrow is going to be very much interesting. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So I'll give you levels, Nifty key levels for tomorrow. Here, let's go and run our code. Yes, these are the levels. First is 23,500. First level 23,500. Levels above 590, 940. 23,590, 23,590, and then 23,940. 23,940. And levels above that 24,170. 24,170. So how many? It's almost 670 points above. Well, it's okay. These levels are enough for today for upside. Downside levels 22,940. 22,940. Second level 22,670. 22,670. Okay, so these are the levels. These will be Nifty key levels for tomorrow, that is 14th of May. Okay, these levels are on 5 minutes. So let's see how these levels turned out to be tomorrow. Okay, that's it from my side. I'll see you tomorrow.